Minority Leader, Honorable General Minority Whip.
Scenes from plenary on Wednesday that turned rowdy over disagreements over minority leadership positions. It's the day after, and there are signs the issues have not been resolved. As lawmakers settle down, Representative Kingsley Chinda, who was listed as minority leader in the letter sent by the People's Democratic Party, is seated at the place meant for the minority leader of the House. At 12 noon, the Speaker walks in, followed by the Deputy Speaker and members of the minority leadership. A face-off is averted as the minority leaders make their way to other seats and do not contest for the seats occupied by the other lawmakers. The Speaker starts by adopting the votes and proceedings of the day before, which confirms all that was done on that day.
I have examined and approved the votes and proceedings of Wednesday, 3rd July 2019.
Points of order are raised by Representative Chinda.
Mr. Speaker, point of order. Without even asking you what your point of order is, you are overruled.
After more attempts are made, the Speaker takes a position.
Honorable colleagues, in making it clear, I'm pleading with you. Do not test the resolve of this House. Do not. If you test the resolve of this House, you will have cause to regret. Thank you.
He, however, allows a motion on the rowdy session of the previous day.
While seated here, I saw when ranking members, whom we respect so much, especially Honorable Bragg from Rivers State, went for debates.
The Speaker refers the matter to an ad hoc committee for investigation. He then announces the names of the majority leadership in the House.
Honorable Al-Hassan Ado Dogua, House Leader.
Representative Peter Patterson, Deputy Majority Leader, Representative Muhammadu Tahir Mungunu, Chief Whip, and Representative Nkiruka Oyenjiocha as the Deputy Chief Whip. Another point of order is raised and the lawmaker makes an appeal.
And in line with the rules you have cited, I want to enjoin you, Mr. Speaker, to let go of what happened yesterday. Nigerians to let go of what happened yesterday. We accept your leadership. We accept your ruling.
This will appear to have resolved the contentions in the House. The next step for the House is the composition of standing committees. Lanre Lassisi, Channels Television News.